Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of solving systems of equations with elimination. Today we're going to look at multiplication and addition. So it says solve the following system of equations. And in the past we were looking for a system where had two variables that were the same value, but now I don't have that, so I need to get that. So I want to pick one of the variables that I want to cancel. And so say we want to cancel the x's. I want to find the LCM, the least common multiple, of 5 and 8 here. So the LCM of 5 and 8 which is 40. And there's a basic rule you can apply. Just multiply whatever you want to cancel by the opposite value. So here, since I want to cancel my x's, I'm going to multiply the top by 5 and the bottom by 8 so that I get the same value for x. Now I must multiply every single term by these values to create my new system. So 5 times negative 8 gives me negative 40x. 5 times 9 gives me plus 45y equals, and I have to multiply the other side of the equal sign too, so 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Here when I multiply by 8, I have to do 8 times 5, which is 40. Now I have exact opposites. 8 minus 6y, which is negative 48y. And 8 times negative 2, which is negative 16. Negative 40 plus 40. Oh, and then since these are the different signs, I'm going to add them. Negative 40 plus 40 cancels. 45 plus negative 48 is negative 3y. Negative 5 plus negative 16 is negative 21. We're going to divide, so y equals positive 7. Now I need to solve for x, so I plug the y back in to one of my equations. I'm going to use 5x minus 6y because it's smaller values. So I say 5x minus 6 times negative 7 equals negative 2. 5x minus negative 42 equals negative 2. 5x plus 42 equals negative 2. I apologize again. This 7 should be positive 7. So that should be positive 42, so this should be minus 42. So I'm going to add 42 to both sides. And 5x equals 40, so x equals 8. So my solution is 8, 7. Let's try the other one real quick just to see how it works again. I want to pick a variable to cancel, so let's say I want to cancel the x's again. So in order to cancel the x's, you need to multiply them by each other. So I'm going to multiply the top by 2 and the bottom by 6, so they are the same number. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10y and negative 10. 6 times negative 2x is negative 12x. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18y. And 6 times 5 is 30. So these are the same signs. So again, I want to add, or I want to add here. Excuse me. Same signs, so I want to subtract. 12 minus negative 12 is going to cancel. Negative 10 minus negative 18. And this isn't very good. This is a minus, so it turns to negative now. So negative 10 minus negative 18. Well, that makes positive 8y because this goes plus plus. Negative 10 minus 30 is negative 40. Y equals negative 5. Now I go solve, but when I solve it, I want to put it back into one of the original equations. Okay, always put it back into an original equation. So I'm going to go to negative 2x minus 3 times negative 5, it is negative in this one, equals 5. Negative 2x minus negative 15 equals 5. Negative 2x plus 15 equals 5. Excuse me. Subtract from both sides. Negative 2x equals negative 10. X equals 5. So my solution is 5, negative 5. Alright, gang. So just remember, you have to create the same number on a variable so that you can cancel them. So just multiply by each other. Same signs subtract, different signs add. Good luck.